those spikes on his head. Each one's like a mini mountain.
Let me see! Giganto's checking out the drone!
I wonder what he's gonna do.
Whoa! He ate it!
That's probably what I would have done.
My drone! Guess drones aren't part of the big guy's diet.
Oh! Gotcha!
You have to learn to control your wings, little one.
Thanks, Hagen!
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah, but look out for that thing.
Sorry, that's my dino drone. It can fly, just like you.
No one can fly like me. I'm the best in Cretaceous.
True, but my drone can do all sorts of cool things.
Not compared to me.
I don't know. It might even be able to do some things you can't.
Oh, this I have to see.
Okay, come on, let's try it out. My dino drone can fly straight up.
Now that's a talent.
Huh, I can do that too. See?
Actually, we can't see anything.
Oops! Want another coconut, Bill?
I'm good.
My drone can make super tight turns.
Easy peasy. I thought I'd hang out instead.